Today we're looking for the most unique or interesting car.
Always in your way. You want my calves in this picture?
That's a pretty man.
Brian Little.
So I haven't quite really did a proper introduction, so hello, my name's Devon, you're watching TurboShotIncredible. Today we're at another TOURQ'D meet, and today we're looking for the most unique or interesting car. And right now I'm in front of a very good runner-up. It's a very rare car. Don't see really any of them. Got a wood floor. It's 4-speed. It's an old VW. This particular one's going by the Thing. And it's a very unique thing. It's right there. How's it going, man?
Good. You should probably get the back. The back looks a little bit better.
All right.
Now.
Look at her butt.
I'm Sebastian Montalvo. I'm from Monterrey, Nuevo León in Mexico. This is my 93 Beetle. This is actually also from the same place I was born. And it's lived a long and chaotic life. Been driven all around, you know, Texas, Mexico, all that stuff. It was abandoned for about 5 years. I got the chance to pick it back up and fix it up. Still kicking. And then the engine has also been built. It's now a 1900cc fuel-injected engine. It also has a built trans, so fourth gear is a little bit longer, getting us up to around 90 miles per hour. Once I get it fixed in the front end, because we had a slight accident there, possibly getting 15s for the car, lowering it a little bit more, this thing on the floor, giving it that classic Mexican culture style look to it is what I'm going for. Yeah, Vocho is in Mexico. On Instagram, I'm using the Brazilian term Fusca. You know, every place has a different name for them. HTX.FUSKA.
I'm Nathan Koenig, I'm from Friendswood, Texas. My 86 Dodge pickup, all original, unrestored, 57,000 original miles. From St. Louis, zero rust, a factory coating on the frame, all original interior, daily driven 100 miles a day. 318 3-speed, 160 horse, an original paint in the bed, bench seat and interior is all original. The only thing we've done is leveled it, tires and rims, maintain it on the daily, what it's meant to be. But we're gonna go 360 LA block, aim for about 450, 500 horse, keep it at 3-speed, change out the rear end to a 410 gear, just let it be a highway burner. This is all original, nothing has changed other than the alternator.
Now here's a car you don't see that's tuned and modded very much, at least especially not in this regard. I'm gonna give it some spotlight here. You guys let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular unit. Another really cool VW here. One of my favorites. I've wanted one of these for like the longest time. Famous car that goes by the moniker of R32. The Euros, the EDMs will be familiar with this car. This is none other than the Volkswagen GTI R32 or just R32. All-wheel drive. It's the weird VR6 all-wheel drive with 6-speed. They sound amazing. Naturally aspirated. They sound even cooler when you throw a turbo on them.
The RPF ones, it's got 245s all the way around, so you know it's putting down some power more than likely.
And now I'm standing in front of another really rare car I've got some intimate experience with driving around. Been parents used to own one. Really fun cars. The 944s are amazing chassis, especially for the time period, especially for now still. They are swappable. LS platform, K-series platform, 2J, JZ series, you know. It's a really, really great platform. It's Enduro from Porsche. They handle amazing. They look really good, timeless, and one of the few front engine Porsches that you can get.
Neon SRT4, respect.
Well, that was super cool. 993 Porsche Cabriolet. Don't see those very often at all. Very rare. Now, this guy here could be better known as the high school heartthrob. Huge during the boy band craze. Huge during the 80s and 90s. I mean, it's still really big now on drag strips. They're lightweight, very sought after for that certain niche market. And I mean, everyone knows one. All you have to say is the term Fox. Right when I was about to leave, I walked by this beautiful thing. We gotta showcase it. The runner-up for the most unique build. Official lowrider spec. Don't see many of these. Of course, we know Benz TA has to make the list. Amazing in of itself. They're very rare. You don't see very many Trans Ams around on the streets or at meets these days. They're like kind of lost. And